There's a new update for the camera, HERO10. Introduce extended battery and tripod stabilization mode and setting optimized. Adds ultra slow motion, improve stabilization, blah blah blah, bug fixes. Update. It is going fairly quick. Okay. 89% of the battery. Let's see. How's it going to perform? Is it going to be better or worse? Let's see. Camera still working, that's good. But I have a huge problem with memory cards. You didn't want to read them. It says V3 card needed, and I'm using a Samsung Evo, which is 90 write, 100 read, so it's way above V3. Still recording, that's good. Nice. How's the stabilization? Well, the road is basically flat, so maybe if I bounce like that, nah, that's not going to work. Anyway, how's the image quality? This is 4K 60 frames per second. Why not 5K 60? Exactly, why not? Let me just switch it up. I mean, change it. 5K 60. What do you think about that image, my friend? It will be pretty hard to edit this in my computer, but I'll try. You noted that? It was super cool, a lot of glass. Okay, we're on the main street here. I mean, this is one super. A lot of kebab, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Tons of kebabs. Alrighty then, and that's it. I think that's all I have, my friends. Camera is still recording. There was no hiccups with the memory. Battery is fine, 12% left. Nice. Thanks for watching, goodbye.